Hello and welcome to Ebuzo's Corner TV. And today we are showcasing how to cook a delicious bitter leaf. We've been asked many times, to help show how we cook the bitter leaf. All right, and that's what we're doing today. As you can see on your screen there, this is assorted meats. We can talk about the shaki, talk about the cow food, and then we also have the stockfish up there, and then we have the dry fish. These are really good proteinous, meat and fish that we're going to use to add to the nutrients coming out from this bitter leaf. All right, and then here you have the boiled. It's already boiled now. The meat is already boiled. Assorted meat, stockfish, dry fish, ready to be added to the soup. And others are achi, that's a thickener, and then palm oil, crayfish, pepper, bitter leaf, and salt to taste. All right, so you keep all these things, prepare them, and then you see here we're beginning to add them, one after the other. This one now is palm oil that is added at this point, and then what you do is that once you add it, you stir and you close the pot for some time, and then you can see the oil on top of it. But when it starts to boil very well and simmer, then you will see the color will change. All right, the color will change and it will look as if it's like either a yellowish, that's the palm oil, which is normally red, turns to that kind of thick yellow, or you call it brown, as this case may be. But before you, like all those things I said about the boiled this thing, you would have cooked the meat and especially the meat, the shaki, the intestine. You have to cook it to about, let's say, 2 hours, okay, or 1 hour, depending. If you use a very good pressure cooker, you can cook it within a short time. You can see how it's boiling there. All right, so it's really please subscribe to this channel, like and share, and then and that will be helping us in what we are doing. You can see the face of the soup, or assorted meat, everything. This is delicious. Don't just salivate here. Just pick up all these items, like we said, and prepare it by yourself. This is wonderful. And the bitter leaf soup, that's the bitter leaf is being added. That's the last thing you do, haven't added every other thing, like your seasonings, and the crayfish, the achi that thickens it, the salt to taste, and then you put the bitter leaf. I must warn, it's not bitter leaf, it's not sweet. It makes it's a little bit bitter. Some are very bitter, but this one is, the bitterness has been washed off a little bit. But the idea is to give you that bitter flavor and bitter and sweet flavor at the same time. It's quite a wonderful leaf to eat, and it's very healthy. Now the soup is done, just under 20 minutes, as long as you have finished boiling everything that you have. Okay, you finish boiling the meat and the stockfish and all those things. They take some time to, but this is the end product. So wonderful. Oh no, you wish you start eating it from the fire. All right. So from time to time, we'll showcase to you all you need to do cooking all these meals we'll be showcasing. Thanks for watching, and God be with you. All right, till the next video, please keep watching Ebuzo's Corner TV. Bye.